Are you ready for this? I'm so excited. Let's have a look. Wow, pretty. Let's see. Things like, oh my goodness. This is like Christmas and my birthday and everything else all rolled up into one. So we've got loads of samples, all kinds of samples here. Murad, Smashbox. You see, we don't have Sephora and stuff like that, so we never really get a chance to get samples of things. Got some face masks. Ooh, a mask sheet in rice collagen, sounds interesting. Oh my god! Lucky Charms! Thank you, what a lovely surprise. I've been craving some lately as well, so I was like, yay! Where shall I start? What is this? Ooh, volumizing catalyst. So I put this in my hair before I dry it. I'm excited to try this out. How interesting. Got the Murad clarifying cleanser. Super Smile, which is something I asked her to get, and I really wanted to try this. She was saying it's amazing. England isn't the best for teeth whitening things at all, so I'm excited to try this. Kiehl's cleanser. I really hope you can see this, guys. First video and everything, so it might be a bit rubbish. Deep sleep pillow mist, so I can spray that on my pillow and hopefully sleep amazingly. I don't know where to start. Got conditioner. Cautery foam cleanser. I really like all these, I'm excited for that as well. Got serum. Chanel. Eye cream, amazing. Oh, Andrea. I am a huge fan of studs and spikes and anything like that, and I think she has one of these as well. I see her wear it a lot. This is amazing, I love it so much. Thank you. Let's have a look. Ooh, Tarte. I think this is a lipstick. Because we don't have Tarte here and everyone raves how amazing it is, so I'm really excited to try this. Look how cute the packaging is. I can open it. Ooh, that's pretty. What a lovely colour. That is really pretty. What else? Lush. This is the Sunnyside Bubble Bar. I love bubble bars. I love Lush in general, and I've not tried this bubble bar yet, but I know Andrea loves it. Butter London nail polish. It's a gorgeous pink, which you can't tell. It's in Trout Pout. I love the name of Butter London polishes, they're just funny. Phyto Nectar Oil, which is an ultra nourishing oil treatment. Oh, this is for your hair, pretty cool. What is this? Ooh, my first Wet n Wild palette. Yay! We don't have Wet n Wild here either. What else can we look? Oh my goodness, the interruptions. I'm sorry if this video is rubbish or really choppy. It's just my first video and everyone wants to come in my room and talk to me. Right, let's continue. What is this wrapped up little beauty? Oh, I think I know. I'm a huge fan of Buxom. Last time I did a swap with Andrea, she sent me a Buxom lipstick, which I absolutely adore. And I think this is just a little set. So you've got a Buxom luminizer, a lip gloss, what is this? A smoky eye stick, which is waterproof as well, and a mascara. What else can I try? Ooh, wow, wow, wow. More of the amazing Tarte. So I've got Stella and Magic, which were a part of a little gift set, and so pretty. Also, they had a flash sale and it was half price on the blushes, and Andrea was lovely and got me Flush and Natural Beauty as well, which are also the ones she chose. We clearly have great taste. This never ends. An Urban Decay lipstick. Ooh. Dry Styling Heat Protectant. I like this because it's in like an aerosol kind of form. We don't really have a lot of aerosol heat protectants. Caudalie hand cream, which is always great. My hands have been feeling rather dry lately and I can't find any of my hand creams. I just have so many bags, I bet it's, I don't even know, mixed up in them all. Mint Julep mask. So when I first started watching YouTube videos, this was raved about so much, and I've always wanted to try it since then, so I'm excited that she found this for me. The Too Faced bronzer. It comes with, what does it come with? Primed and poreless as well, but I've heard a lot about the bronzer. Again, I know Andrea loves the bronzer and it smells like chocolate, so hopefully I'll try not to eat it. It's a 10, so there's a free deep conditioner mask, and then it's a leave-in keratin conditioner. I've been wanting to try It's a 10 for a very long time. I know it's a little bit pricey, but it's one of the products that I really wanted to try, so thank you. Bubble bar. What's inside here? Let's have a look. Oh wow, I remember this. It's one of their skull bracelets. I love this. Seriously guys, this is like Mary Poppins box, it never ends. What is this? Urban Decay All Nighter. What is this? Wrapped Up Beauty. Oh, gosh, wow. More Wet n Wild palette. So she's got me Sparkle in the Morning. Petal Pusher. And Comfort Zone. Sorry about the reflection guys. Honestly, I love all of these colours. Looking forward to trying them. What's in this beauty? Oh my goodness. Andrea, what is this? What is this? Seriously. Oh my goodness. I don't even want to open this, just look how pretty it is. Oh my god. Right, okay, I have to stop to message her and tell her she's crazy for even getting me anything Chanel because it's so expensive. Okay, messaging done. Let's have a look what's inside here. I really don't want to open it. I must look up a cute packaging. Let's have a look. Oh. So it's Chanel quad eyeshadow. Let's have a look. Oh my god, it's just, look how nice the packaging is. Oh, that's so pretty. So it's a quad of eyeshadows. And there's like a purple, a brown, a paler colour. That's really nice, thank you so much. It's for the anti-bac from, what's it called? How can I forget what it's called? Bath and Body Works, there we go. Yay! That's lovely. I like the simplicity of this. And Bath and Body Works candle holder. I have NYX lip pencils in nutmeg and sand pink. What's next? Elf angled eyeliner brush. I've always wanted to try this as well. Looks pretty cool. Ooh, Crest white strips. I asked her to get these because I really wanted to get these again because it's my favourite teeth whitening products, because like I said, we can't get anything like that here. What else do we have? Okay, this is exciting because we don't have Bath and Body Works here. Okay, I need scissors. Scissors, where are you, scissors? Okay, I can't find the scissors. Can't open it. Aha! I can smell it already. This seriously smells amazing. I want to eat them all. So I've got salted caramel, pumpkin caramel latte, and cinnamon sugar donuts. They all smell freaking edible. What's this? MAC. Let's have a look. Oh wow. It's full of Hershey's Kisses in pumpkin, I think pumpkin spice, because again Hershey's is American, we don't really have a lot of it here. It's slowly coming over, but pumpkin we've not had. So I have NYX soft cream matte lip creams, and I've got what colours have I got? Milan and San Paulo. Pretty. NYX jumbo eye pencil in milk. I've heard a lot about this. Oh my god. Got another candle in here. Ooh, this is in suntan. It smells really nice. I'm excited to try that. And what's this one? Oh my goodness. This is in coconut water. I absolutely adore coconut smells. I seriously love coconut. Okay, so this is something else. I didn't want her to spend so much money, so I sent her some through PayPal, and I really wanted to get the MAC brush set. And I love this. And it's got some of the Dura fibre brushes, so that's rather exciting. What else? Oh my god, this is huge! Got another candle. It's probably the biggest ones, and it's in cinnamon sugar donuts. Edible. Seriously, I'm going to want to eat donuts all day with this candle on. More candles. Okay, just this is out. More minis, more mini candles. So what do we have? Pumpkin cupcake. Pumpkin, I feel like, is such a huge thing in America, like pumpkin pie, pumpkin candles, pumpkin chocolate, and we don't really have much pumpkin flavoured things. It's so American. Sweet cinnamon pumpkin. That's quite lovely too. Cotton. Oh, that smells absolutely gorgeous. I love fresh smells, and I adore the Yankee Candles fresh cotton. That's absolutely beautiful. Leaves. This is one that a lot of people rave about. It's quite nice. And I think that's pretty much everything she sent me. It's empty now. But just seriously guys, look at everything here. There's so much. Thank you so much, Andrea. I can't wait to try everything and play around with everything you sent me. I'm so grateful I get to do swaps with you because you're wonderful and love you, girl. Thank you so much. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye guys.